Hi, I'm Miss Aubrey, and I'm an expert in dance industry leadership. I'm going to tell you how you can contribute to the development of our next generation of dancers. As a dance industry leader, you can play a pivotal role in helping children and dance moms build healing techniques through so many different approaches and opportunity. Here's a few. Integrating mindful movement, emphasizing emotional awareness, supporting mental health resources, addressing body positivity, giving your community the opportunity to learn from outside leaders in the industry. You can promote overall emotional expression by creating spaces where children feel safe to explore and express themselves. Partnering with life coaches like me can help you provide these awesome opportunities for your team, your staff, and your dancers. And don't forget about your dance moms. This can empower a child to develop a positive relationship with their body and themselves. You're also giving them super valuable tools for lifelong lessons. Remember, leaders, to be a leader, you too have to be led. Never a master, always a student. Keep learning.